Hi, my name is Caden, here in Stafford Turf Forest, and today we're reviewing the Nerf Mega Bull. Let's get right, Bulldog. Let's get right into this. It's held by the rubber straps, which I like. Nerf, you should do more of them with rubber straps. It's held in by 3. I'm gonna slot 2. Is it more than that? Oh, there is actually one around the front muzzle. That kind of blended in for me. So, you got your blaster here. You got your darts here. Kind of just gotta, because I can do that. So you got your box of parts here. Can this actually come out? Okay. Whoa. All right. You got that. You got your really stupid instructions that we don't need. Already, this is kind of weird. It actually comes, uncompacted. So you got this thing that comes with what was this? I don't even know. A sight, it seems. And you got a dart holder. So the sight goes on right here. That's so stupid of me. All right. So you got this. I'm already going to recommend that you do not actually put this in there. It kind of destroys darts over time. Like, this isn't a squishy one, and it just being pulled, this thing got a bit more squishy. So don't put that on. You can get rid of your dumb thing. Get rid of your bag. You have your darts here, which, they're actually the AccuStrike ones, which actually are more accurate, but it comes at a loss of they're not very good. They don't shoot as far, but it's a Mega Blaster. It's a gimmick. But I'm not supposed to give my opinion. I shouldn't give my opinion yet. When you get your blaster like this, it comes with this in the package. It came in both the packages that we got. Yeah, I believe. Yeah, you press this button and you pull the lever down. It decompresses. You can either pull the stock back or pull this up. Can you pull that up? No. And it turns into the deploy. Pulls it back here. You load in your 3 Mega Darts that are AccuStrike, and so they should be more expensive by default. You would go ahead and it's already primed, then you can shoot. Shooting my cameraman who's messing with a zip tie and some crap over there. That's kind of how it works. Let's just test the speed. Okay, so about 75-ish, maybe 80-ish feet. Probably around, 75, 60 FPS. It's a mega gun, so it has a bit of the power. Not very. It has power more than an elite gun would for its start. It shoots farther than the Hammer Shot did, or any other elite that we have here. My opinion of the Bulldog is, in short terms, it's useless. The sight flips off. It's like the Mega Deploy. It's actually very uncomfortable here. I want to hold it like a pistol, but I can't because I have this annoying stock in the way. I don't think it has any function like this, if you're supposed to use it as a function like this, because you can't aim like this. You can't do anything. I think this gun right here has a better value than this one right here. This is around 20. This is about 15, 20-ish. You get better value out of this. This shoots way farther than this. They both hold 3. Now, if this one comes with AccuStrike darts, who cares? Because odds are you don't need to be very accurate. Now, it does come with double the amount, but if you have a ton, like we do at Turf Forest, we don't care. We just need something that's good and functional. They're all slimy because there's cleaner on the desk. That's kind of about it. It's a cool gun. I like it. We finally got a Mega Deploy. So where's the Vortex Deploy? Where's the Rival Deploy? Where's the Rebel Deploy? Oh wait, where did Rebel go? Where did Rebel go?
Hey guys, Lance here with Turf Wars, here to give my take on the Nerf Bulldog, the 3-shot that kind of looks like a grenade launcher in my opinion. How it works: pull that back, pull the trigger. It's pretty simple. This one is around 20 to 25. I'm going to be comparing it to, we've modified this, by the way. This was originally a tri-brake. It had this whole deal here that you had to push down and then put the bullets in. We thought that looks really useless, so we took it out. Made the gun better, made it easier to load, made it easier to understand for the younger viewers. So now we just call this the Tri. This originally, when it was a tri-brake, it was around 15 to 20. This was 20 to 25. As you'll notice, they both hold the same amount, 3 and 3. This one does shoot a little farther than this one. It is really comfortable right here, but again, you're pulling this back and then pulling the trigger. So what's the point of this even? If this was a pump action, with a spin, maybe a rotating barrel or something. That'd be pretty cool. But I don't like guns that look like they're SMGs, only holding 3 shots. So I'm much against this gun. It should hold more ammo. It should maybe a clip or something. I don't know. Something other than 3 shots. This is a pistol, so it's totally fine for it to only hold 3. It's actually an alright gun. I'd totally use this as a sidearm if Nerf started making holsters. Other than that, these are 2 very similar guns. I do think Tri-Break is better and worth the money if you're wanting to buy one of these 2.
So switch it.
Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and click subscribe down below. Really helps us out. I would encourage you to, I like doing these YouTube videos. I'd like to, get paid, potentially. That I doubt that it would ever happen. Website, again, like I always say, just check out the website. You want to book a birthday party or do open play, and you live in the Oklahoma City area, go do that. Go do that. You will not regret it. It is a fun time in here. Cool. Just remember to check the ban list. Don't bring in banned guns because I don't like kicking kids out. And then check out our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram down below. That's about it. So this is me signing off. See ya.